steps we have learned earlier. Okay, so we are starting from the step that will be needing further. Quick एक revision लेंगे जहाँ से आगे आपने सीखा हुआ है. We will do all the steps and then the steps we have not learned, we will learn that. Okay, so we have ended here. So it will start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up. Very good. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. 1, 2. Very good. Then change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. इसके बाद हमें change करना है. Now we need to change the steps. As we have finished here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means 1, 2 a bit slow. 1. Start with your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 over your head. 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we need to bend accordingly. We can't be stiff standing and doing dance, right? So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. 7. Just simply turn your hand. Keep it, means like this. They'll come like this. Roll and will come here. So we have ended here, front, in front of your face. And then this step we have learned cross, jump, cross and jump, cross, jump. Very good. This step we will use here now. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have connected the same step with 1, making half moon, keeping the leg at the end, and then down, then the other leg, then down, then the other leg, then down. Now slightly modifying this step. And how's that? Just hand 1, 2. So we are getting on our toes and getting down. Means a jump and take your shoulders up and go down. So 1, how's it? 1, very good. 2, 3, 4, 5, very good. Then change. 1, 2, 3. Now we are using the steps we have learned priorly. Okay. 4, 5. Hold for a sec, then go down thrice. 1, 2, 3. How will you go down? Go with your own style, and remember, you are not stiff. You should move according to the music, according to the step. So 1, 2, 3. Turn. 1, up, 2, up, 3. Pause. Slight pause. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Very good. Hold it. 1, 2, 3. Then change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. After 4, I'm just coming back because it's not visible. You don't need to come back. Okay. After 4, the step we will use for one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And after 6, this time, roll your hand, drag your leg and hold this posture, and here we will end. Okay, so one more time, just focus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Because this is going to be a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember, grab the style because your style makes you stunning. Okay, keep practicing, keep enjoying. Love you all. Take care.